what I thought.
Hey guys.
Oh, by the way, the story of this kind of bit is we went to the supermarket with $10 each, and to get food. Billy spent 17. I spent just over $10.
$17.38.
But
I pay for the bags and the plates and the dessert. So I saw this, and this is really weird.
Mine.
Veggie brunch cake.
How are you?
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna prepare our meals and then we'll get back to you.
Spill my.
Oh, we're good. Here I have some salad, my bun, my wine, and my dessert, which is, if you couldn't tell, it's kind of like creamy rice. Well, we'll just dip straight into it.
Is it good?
Yeah. No doubt about it.
No doubt about it.
No doubt.
Mine's pretty good. And look how cute these plates are. Like. Post it up the gram. Save the bees, am I right, Toby? I think. Oh, alright.
No, this is good.
It actually is.
My white wine.
Oh yeah. This is my wine. By the way, guys, I'm getting heaps of mosquito bites.
Hello, guys.
That is not 50, my friend.
That is not 50.
Actual?
10 out of 10.
Actual good.
7 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. 2 out of 10.
10.
5 out of 10.
Oh, but I mean it's wine.
10 out of 10.
Oh! I don't like it.
Bigger.
What colour should I go for?
Black.
I'm making green. Well, it's really good for it.
Oh yeah! Update. We're pretty full.
No, we're not.
She isn't.
Oh, I didn't even push out. You kind of want rainbow though? And if you don't want rainbow, like, I'll have it.
My battery on my camera is almost dead, so we've got to finish up.
Oh yeah, when we get home. Take the biggest bite. Oh, no, it's kids at parties who only eat DAY7. That part. Wait, no, just before you eat it, explain what it is.
Veggie brunch cake.
With bread.
Nah. 5 out of 10.
5 is not that good. What, can I try it?
No.
Thumbs up if Toby shouldn't let me eat his meal. Thumbs up if Toby shouldn't let me eat his meal. Am I right? Nice rip.
Really?
I'm making a sub of the day.
She's making a... Sure, she's making a sub of the day and she's taking forever. My one's fast and efficient.
Okay. Taste test?
Taste test.
I'm just going to try this out.
Right.
I reckon it's pretty good.
Right.
The tomato added like sweetness. The carrot added some crunch. The garlic gave me like garlickiness, and the bread was like perfect moistness. Yeah, I think it's full of 7.5, man.
Update. We're pretty full.
No, we're not.
She isn't. Oh. Lovely.
It's a flavour. Sugar right there.
Oh, that's good.
Actually, no, we've got... just...
Ah! Stop!
Let's just cut to the chase. Chase the cut. I'm gonna die. Okay, so, by the way guys, Toby just spilled his drinks. So this is how much Toby used to drink, and this is how much I've drank.
Stop.
Okay. You ready? That's so good. Just do it, just do it.
Oh, shit.
This is not boring. So it basically tasted like condensed milk, tomatoes, and seaweed all mixed together. It literally tastes like a rabbit poo. So basically, that is it for 7 days of vlog, which this actually kind of went quite fast. I know I really only joined in like the 3rd and 4th vlog. Stay tuned, guys, honestly. So tell all your friends about this. Like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you know when we post videos. If you have got to this part of the video, comment muffin time. Thank you guys for watching this video. Basically, this is the end of the 7-day challenge that Toby has been doing. I know I've only really come in the 3rd, 4th video, but I mean, what's up, guys? Just filming this outfit try for Toby because, I mean, it's the last day. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Thank you all so much for watching this last 7 days of me making videos. I really appreciate it. It's currently really early in the morning and I need to get to bed, so thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in my next project. Awesome. See you guys.